Metals form the backbone of the modern world. Urban skylines rise on steel frameworks, and electronic devices contain over 60 different metallic elements. Production of metals presents significant environmental challenges and has been found to contribute approximately 10% of global climate impacts and 12% of particulate matter-related health effects. Understanding these impacts requires comprehensive data, scientific rigor, and systematic analysis of entire production life cycles. To aid in understanding these life cycles, the ecoinvent database comprises over 25,000 high-quality datasets to support organizations, researchers, and policymakers in their assessments.
My name is Valeria Superti and I'm a sector manager at ecoinvent. I define and execute the strategy for the development and maintenance of the metal sector of the database, ensuring that its offering reflects the latest market needs, technological developments, and ecoinvent's mission and vision.
My name is Antonella Polimeno Camastra. I am a data analyst at ecoinvent. I work on metals from A to Z, we can say from aluminium to zirconium, ensuring our datasets are accurate and scientifically sound.
Behind every piece of metal is a complex network of global operations. Metals are traded globally and can travel long distances from remote locations to processing facilities. The production process starts deep underground or in open pits. Mining operations can extract a multitude of metals, which creates challenges for attributing environmental impacts fairly and precisely.
At ecoinvent, we carefully maintain our data to ensure high quality in supporting lifecycle assessments. Activities are linked to suppliers and market to show environmental impacts transparently.
The ecoinvent metal sector encompasses over 400 datasets covering more than 200 different metal products. This is about more than the refinement of primary metals. It's about the complete journey, starting from mine operation activities to the recovery of metal scrap across more than 20 geographies.
Our datasets reflect the technological diversity that defines modern metallurgy. We aim to maintain distinct datasets for different production technologies, including regional variations and feedstock compositions, while offering a high degree of data transparency.
To handle the increasing complexity while maintaining scientific rigor, we continuously engage with industry stakeholders, invest in our data collection infrastructure, and commit to methodological innovation. We will continue to develop the ecoinvent metals sector to support our users and their potential for impactful environmental change. Learn more about our data on metals today at support.ecoinvent.org/metals.